I have an important question for you.
Yeah.
Should we get a puppy?
Well, maybe Daddy's going to get a puppy. She wants to get a puppy. Puppy is here.
If we get a puppy, are you going to be nice to it?
Will you be nice to puppy?
Nice to puppy.
Yeah. Do you want a puppy? Would you like a puppy to live here?
I want to live here.
You want a puppy to live here?
Yeah.
Will you be nice to puppy more than you're nice to Midori?
Yeah, I mean, nice to Dory. A puppy.
What's the difference between Midori and a puppy?
A Dory and a puppy.
Is Midori a cute dog?
Yeah.
Are puppies cute?
Yes. Let's see his pictures, Isabel.
You're taking pictures of Isabel?
Yes.
I'm taking a video of Isabel.
A bear.
Do you want a little tiny Midori puppy?
Yeah. Tiny little good puppies.
What if it grew a lot bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah?
She wants to get heavy, Isabel.
Yeah, she would get heavy.
Heavy as Isabel.
Or he would get heavy.
Uh-huh.